In the month of August, I received this email from Devpost to have a session with them and win some swags. So I meet them, and after meeting, they have sent me this swag form. I filled it with my details. I have provided my name, email, and I selected T-shirt. There are so many swags. I select T-shirt from them. I provided my phone numbers, etc., and you can see these are all the swags. I select this one, white t-shirt, and after that 15 days my parcel arrives from Devpost, Latvia. Now I'm opening it and unboxing it to show you my t-shirt. You can see right here Devpost. This is official t-shirt from Devpost. So the meeting is basically I give them some suggestions to add some features on their hackathons. They provided me some hackathons on live meeting, and I gave them some suggestions. So you can see my t-shirt and some images of my t-shirt. Thank you so much Devpost for providing me with this opportunity. Thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.